Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the Swan on water hack on Dress to Impress. So color yourself white. You do need VIP for this, so before you come at me in the comments, you need VIP for this. I'm just gonna save the disappointment for later. Anyways, we are going to go to the code item dressing rooms, and we are going to use this one. Make it have no texture, and we're going to color all of it white like so. Then for the skirt we will need this one. Is it from codes? I think it is. Wait, yes, this one, no layer. The first one white, the second one like this gray, and then the third toggle white. Then we do need the feather dress as well. Toggle it to matte. The first two colors white, and then the second color should be like blue for the water. You can kind of adjust it to your liking here, like what kind of blue you want, I guess. Then we will need the Elsa sleeves, which is here somewhere. Oops, wrong one. And I'm just going to color it all white for the texture. Alright, then we will need to get some hats. First, get this one, and then color it orange. Oh wait, sorry, color it white. I'm bugging, sorry. And then we will need the baseball cap, and we're going to color that orange. We will need to use this hat and then color it black for the eyes. You'll see the vision later, alright? Then we'll need the like visor. Color it orange as well for the beak. Then we'll need to use this hat. The fur hat. I'm just going to make it matte if you can. I don't think you can. Then yes, you need VIP for this hat. So select this one and color it matte, and then color it all white. Then select the pirate's hat, and then we're going to color it white as well for all of it. Like so. Then you'll need to use these boots. And then I'm going to use this apple, color it white, then set it to resin to the core as usual in these hacks. Then again, the teddy bear, toggle it to 2. Then we will need the feather boa, and then we'll also need the like kind of like fluffy one on on the VIP section, and we need to toggle it to the low setting. Once you're done, you just need to hit the ice skating pose of tense, and that's your swan on water. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.